Hey team, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be explaining the maze challenge. So for this challenge you're going to program your robot to move through a course only utilizing the distance sensor and no rotations. So the only spot I should see rotations in your code is when you are performing a turn. Whenever you're moving forward you must be utilizing the distance sensor to tell it when to stop. So if you hit go on your hub, it's going to go forward and then it's going to stop as far away from the first obstacle as you think you need to be. Ideally, you're centered inside all of these obstacles, right? So you're going to stop and wait and then do a perfect 90-degree turn. Now, it is important. You want to watch your distances here. If you're too close to your obstacle and you hit it when you were performing a turn, that does not count, and you have to start over. So you're really going to want to dial in your distances on how close you're getting to each of the obstacles. So after I perform my turn, I'm going to go ahead and go forward until the next obstacle. Now again, watch here. If I'm too close, right, technically there's some space here, so you're not going to hit it. But if I perform my 90-degree turn, I'm going to end up hitting that obstacle here, which means I am way too close. So I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and fix my code. You want to get as close as you can without actually hitting it. So then do my 90-degree turn. I'll go forward again. Decent distance. Go to my fourth obstacle, go forward, and now here's where it gets a little tricky. Now you're going to have to play with this distance, because ideally you want to set yourself up so you can be centered into the box where the last obstacle is going to be located. So if I get too close to it, well then when I turn, I'm not going to be centered into the box, and if I don't go far enough, I'm not going to be centered. So it's kind of a little bit of a balancing act. So once I get roughly center, you're going to do another 90-degree turn, and then you go forward, and you want to get as close to this last obstacle as you possibly can without hitting it. And then once you're there, you're going to stop and exit program. Alright, hopefully that helps, and good luck.